How to deposit a check on GO2bank. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can you exactly deposit a check on GO2bank. So got a money to deposit in your GO2bank account? Transform your nearby retailer, convenience store, or financial service center into a cash deposit spot. First of all, you have to bring your cash and activate the debit card into the participating retailer, and then hand your money to the cashier and swipe your card. Watch the money appear in your account within minutes. Deposit cash at CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, or Walmart with the GO2 app. Create barcode for cashier scan and easy and convenient options to fit your busy life. Take your deposits to the next level with the direct deposit. Unlock up to $200 in overdraft protection after eligible direct deposits and opt-in, plus build credit with the GO2bank secured Visa credit card. So this was all about how can you deposit a check on GO2bank. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.